Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for peanut butter and banana loaf bread. It's so delicious and so easy. It's a great way to use up overripe bananas. So let's get started. So what you'll need is bananas, brown sugar, vanilla, flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, softened butter, granulated sugar, eggs, and peanut butter. So in my bowl I have the flour, the salt, baking powder, and the baking soda, and you just want to mix it and then set it off to the side. So in another bowl you have your bananas, and you're just going to mash them and you're going to set them off to the side. So next I'm going to be adding everything into the bowl that has the bananas. So I'm going to add the sugars, the eggs, the vanilla, the butter, and the peanut butter. So I'm going to give it a little mix, and then I'll be using my electric mixer. So now I'm going to be using my hand mixer, and I'm going to mix this until it's all combined. So once you have it combined, you're going to add in your flour. So what I do is I do half and half. So I'm going to do half of the flour, and I'm going to mix this in. So once it's all mixed, you'll get your loaf pan, and this is a 9x4, okay, and it's sprayed with the cooking spray, and you're just going to put the batter inside the loaf pan, and spread it out. So now it's ready to be baked, and the oven is set for 325. It's going to bake between an hour and 15 minutes. And you can tell when it's baked, fully baked, if you stick a toothpick or something long inside and pull it out. And if it comes out clean, that means that it's fully baked. So here is my peanut butter and banana loaf cake. It's so delicious and so easy to make. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.